it up. Here heavy goes, firing it up.
Oh boy, Heavy, look at the slow. Do that again. Oh boy. That's too much.
YouTube, what's up? I'm back. Finally doing good, let me tell you. Sick for quite some time, then my family was sick, and then I got distracted with some other nonsense. And anyways, we're back in the shop. Some work has been done while you're gone. I'm sure you just saw in the clip that the shop is an absolute mess. I've been out here just long enough to make a mess of things. I tried like hell for I don't know how long. Gonna spare you the footage of me wrestling with that, which there used to be a transmission bolted up there, and your boy used to be trying to get the torque converter bolted into the flywheel, but I failed. And we're gonna start over again. I have everything lined up just about where it needs to be. I'm gonna take the transfer case off the transmission so it can make wrestling that thing a little bit easier. And hopefully then I can get my drive shaft, which I think you just saw, it's right here in front of me. That is done. I got the U-joints in that, which I wrestled with that quite a bit too. But anyways, I only ruined one brand new U-joint. So hold on a second. So there it is, brand new U-joint. I ruined that. You're looking at it, you might be like, oh, what's wrong with that? Well, it's got a punch sticking out of the goddamn thing that I cannot get out. I have heated this up to the point where the little bit of grease that was in there was actually boiling out of there. I've had wrenches on this. I've rounded it over, hit it with a hammer. Everything I've known to do to get these things out, I've tried, and I might just end up cutting it right here. So I'm making work on top of work, on top of steps backwards, it feels like, because this is no longer in there. But anyways, let's get to it. Okay, thank God, that's done. Torque converter's made it to the flywheel, the transmission's made it to the engine. We're good to go. So I need to go in, check on the family, eat some dinner, see what's going on with them. Might get back out here tonight. If I do, I'll film. If not, it's gonna be tomorrow. Stay tuned.